Hi students, coming to the another program. So that is let us take program to find factorial of a number. So I just want to take one variable, and for that I need to find the factorial. Factorial means if you are taken 3 means 3 into 2 into 1, that is a factorial. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So the factorial of 3 is 6, like that. So first what I said, you need to find the logic. What is the logic inside the program, and what are the inputs you have to take in, and what the output that have to be printed. So here my program is to find the factorial of a given number. So I have to give one number. For that number I need to find out the factorial. Okay, means the inputs you have to give as one variable. Hash include tdio.h, hash include conio.h. Now start program, void main. Okay, so now I have to take integer as a data type, int n for particular number. So n is a number, I is for loop, and the fact I am initializing to 1. Starting it should be initialized to 1. CLR SCR. Printf any number first you enter from the keyboard. So for that you need to write scanf %LD ampersand n. So you have to read the value from the keyboard, that is a ampersand n. Now the for loop, for I is equal to n, it's up to that number you have to read. So I is equal to n, I less than greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. First let me write the program, then I'll explain the concept. Fact equal to fact star I, so here I have taken two variables and another variable fact I initialized to 1. Suppose if I entered any number, n is equal to, suppose let me say the 3. So that 3 value has to be written. So first I is equal to 3, okay, and I greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so the first I value should be, it's always greater than or equal to 1. Okay, now I is 3. The 3 greater than or equal to 1. So the 3 minus minus means it reduces to 2. Okay, so the fact, starting the fact is 1. 1 into I is 3. So first the 3 will be stored. Next loop change. I is decremented to, the 3 is decremented to 2. So next value n is, I is equal to n, I less than or equal to 1, I minus minus. Means next time it takes the 2. 3 into 2 into 1. So let me compile the program. So after compile, just run the program. First enter the value. Let me enter suppose 5. So if I enter number 5, the factorial of 5 is 120. Why is 120? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20. 20 3s are 60. 62s are 120. 121s are 120. So just it is decrementing the value. So first reads the 5 value. Next it multiply with the 4 because the one value will decremented. I minus minus. So next it becomes 4. Again the loop continue. Now the I becomes 3. Now I becomes 2. Next 1. Okay. Then the condition failed. It skips the for loop and prints the factorial. So this is a program for finding the factorial. Thank you.